A little fur there, see? Oh, what's that? It's like what you play bingo with. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Now as you can see behind me, we have the Toyota outside the house at the moment, and if I move that way we have the Honda. Now the Honda needs to go outside the house, so we're just going to swap the cars around, because today we're finally going to start cleaning up, most importantly, the interior on the Honda Accord, because it smells doggy. It's really gross inside, so interior is priority. If we get time to, we'll do the exterior. If not, we'll save that for another future video and another day basically. So let's start by moving the cars around. I'm not going to show you, that's just boring, and I'll show you the current state of the Accord. It's just how I bought it, and I'll show you the before and afters basically. When I bought this Accord, it sounds a bit sad, but I just couldn't wait to get my hands on it and clean it, because me and Martin just love car cleaning. I'm an ex-valeter, he's a valeter, so we just love making cars look nice and clean as best as we can. So let's move the cars, get the Honda in position, and let's film a bit of progress. Mazda's keeping the Toyota company. Now it's time to move the Accord out to outside the house. On the passenger side now, obviously there's just dirt everywhere, all in little crevices like this. That's my hand gel. All in here is all dirty, around the gear stick, around here. It's just like dust and rubbish everywhere. Driver's footwell, and again these seats just have like, you can see like some dog hairs and stuff. So it's just pretty gross, to be honest. And it smells like dog in here as well, it's disgusting. Passenger side now, some more dog hairs. A little fur there, see? There's little Martin eager to get started. Trying to work around my shadow here, but you can see it's just a lot of mud. The boot's really disgusting, to be honest. And also under here, oh, the water's dried up, but they're just everywhere, it's just hanging. There was a load of water in there. Yeah, the boot is just pretty gross. Charles out, extension lead. We've got two hoovers, we're going to have one each just because we're sad. So you can see here, this has all come out of the boot. Martin's just carried it out. It's all wet. And in here, oh, what's that? It's like what you play bingo with.
Yeah, I found 10p.
Nice. And it's all muddy, so luckily there is holes in it. I guess that's where the spare wheel does look into. Oh, well, this is crusty. It's gross, that is. Smells as well. 7 and 2, 72. We're going to film the whole process of us cleaning cars, because you've seen it all before. You get the gist, it's boring. I might get the GoPro on and just show a couple of bits here and there and update you as and when. So let's get both these hoovers in action. Let's go. Got a couple of cloths in here, a couple of brushes that I like to use. This is good for dog hair, so I'll probably use that on the seats. This is good for carpets. Got my glass cleaner, a couple of interior cleaners. Need to get some more interior cleaners. Got my little carry bag, ready to go with all my little products and brushes. So we've just done with the interior clean of the Honda. We're going to leave the outside to another day, because there was more dog hairs than I'd ever imagined in the car. So let's show the interior now. So let's talk about what happened in the back here then. So I was going along, getting all the hairs off with all brushes, had all this all hairless, and then I'm laying down in there hoovering it out, and I look up. Yes, the headline sagging, I knew that. But I looked up and there was just just hairs dangling down from the ceiling. I thought, well, there's no point in me getting all these hairless if I then have to sort out the roof. So, oh, Martin has this super duper dog hair removing tool that I was scraping, and all the hair was obviously falling back on the seat, so I had to redo them. But yeah, just looking much better in here. I didn't go through the car with a fine tooth comb, as they say. All this dust has come off the roof again. But I'll leave a deep clean for another time. But it smells nice because of the little jelly bean we got there in the front there. I actually got that for Christmas, that air freshener. I've only just got around to using it. And then in the front here, again, I could do the plastics better another day. I just really wanted to get it clean. I was kind of getting a bit bored, if I'm being honest. I just wanted the car clean. The steering wheel wasn't too bad on the Merc. It was absolutely disgusting. I've also enjoyed cleaning out all these little cubby holes, just getting them all, because obviously I'll put my phone in there. I don't want it to be all dirty and grimy. But yeah, it's definitely smelling not as doggy now with the old jelly bean up there. I took an old dealer sticker off around here. Got that's all faded. Need to get another VTEC one of those one day. Got one of my stickers on the middle of the boot now, representing, of course, and I've also gone for a nice glitter sticker for the passenger side rear if you want one of those. www.driven247.co.uk. Any funds I raise from the shop goes back into my passion, my hobby, cars, and doing videos for YouTube. Give all the credit to Martin for doing the boot. So the where the spare wheel was, you saw it wasn't actually that. There was a big puddle in there when I looked at the car. That's gone. Again, you can see where dog's been in here. Claws are probably dug into here. I just got to remember this isn't a brand new car, so unfortunately, you know, this car's had a few owners before me. Dogs have been in it, etc, etc. But yeah, we'll leave the outside to another time. Just wanted to make it a bit more pleasant inside for me to sit in and drive it. So that's it, just a quick little progress video of us cleaning the Accord for the first time. Like I say, we'll clean the outside another time. My priority, the first thing to do to that car was to get that interior all cleaned up. So thanks to my fiance Martin for helping out. Thanks to you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another car video, no doubt. Well, obviously you will, that's all I do. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you later. Now, as you can see behind me, we have there the Toyota